What is up, guys? Triangle's Game here, and today I will be trying some Pocky I have never tried. Also a Pretz, and that's Pretz. It's a flavor I have not tasted before. It's hot chili salad. I also have a snack that I don't like at all. So yeah, let's see. I might as well get the hot stuff out of the way first. Do the good stuff. So these Pretz, I don't know if I'm saying right. These are hot chili salad flavored. I'm already regretting this. The box isn't even open. Neither is the bag. Okay, good thing I have water with me. Just in case. Okay, surprise. Must be try or okay. I can't smell anything yet. There we go. Oh, that just makes it worse. There's powder on it. I'll set that over there. Oh, I can smell the powder. That chili. It's really hot. It's like it's like that powder that's in the hot and spicy noodles. And when you're about to put that hot powder, that soup powder. Yeah, that it's like you putting that hot powder on the freaking noodles that hot and spicy. Oh. Okay. Now going to the 4 buckets of Pocky. Let's see. First one is milk chocolate cream. Now, I'm trying to open these so I can still eat them later, but I might not eat the hot chili salad one. Because no one wants to eat powder by itself. This is what it tastes like. It's just the powder on it. So if I open it like I open chips, then I'll be able to, either. Whoa, that was simple. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it looks like the chocolate, normal kind. But it's the milk chocolate cream covered. Okay. I don't like chocolate that much, but that's good. Oh, never mind. Never mind. What's this? This is the cookies and cream Pocky. Okay. Oh, that last one. Now I hope this will not disappoint me. This is the Oreos. food. Ah, oh, come on. God damn it, I thought I could open this one like the other one. No, it's a bit open on the side. Come on, I just want a Pocky. Give me a stick. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Come on. God damn it, I have to rip that whole wrapper piece off. Okay. Oh, look at that, yeah. As it looks like on the thing. Right. Pocky cookies and cream. Mmm. Yep. These are good. Okay. But it has a little chocolate in it, but I'll see. I'll tell you what I'll rate it at the end. Oh god, not again. Hey, you open scissors, come on. It's easy to open. First, just like to rip this thing off again. God damn it. Okay. Now this is the... Oh, okay. There's Pocky Mochi green tea covered. But bistio sticks. Okay, so Mochi green tea. Okay. This is just tastes like mochi green tea. Yeah. It smells like it, but that's okay. Now the last box of mochi, then to the bag of stuff that I did not like at all. See, this is the chocolate banana covered Pocky. Oh god. Here. Okay, I can tell. Yeah, I'm looking at the. I see like the sticks, like chocolate, and the other parts. Okay. Okay, it tastes. Okay, it smells like a banana. Okay. Good. Really good. Chocolate. Yeah. But it smells like a banana, but alright. First, I'm gonna tell you what I rate on Pocky. On the one box of Pretz. And I'll go into the boss challenge. So I give these a 4 out of 10. Because, sure, I like noodles, but I don't want to eat the sticky powder by itself. Milk chocolate cream. I don't like chocolate that much. But I'll give it a 6 out of 10. And the cookies and cream. This is good. I give this possibly, yeah, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. the mochi green tea covered Pocky. Since I like the mochi green tea ice cream, I'll give it I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Then the chocolate banana covered Pocky, I'll give this a 9 out of 10 because I like bananas. Okay. Give me a second. Right now, there's something that I ate in my childhood, and I still eat it sometimes now. But this, I've been looking for different kinds of flavor of it, and I finally did. But this is something I don't like the flavor of. This is Taku Nocha, which is crispy seaweed snack. It's a seaweed snack. It's delicious with good. It's delicious with good from the sea. And the thing I hate about this is it's wasabi flavored. Yeah. What am I getting myself into? Alright. Let's just open this freaking thing. Okay, so. Oh. Okay, so. Since I hate wasabi. Sure, I like it with. Sure, I eat it with sushi, but still. I don't like wasabi. Oh. Okay, it just smells like seaweed. Okay. So it's supposed to taste like wasabi. So let's see how many I can eat of this before I start drinking water. 1. Oh. Mmm. 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 You guys eating sushi and you know what's that tastes like? That's what I'm tasting. Oh my god. How did they get that in there? Okay. Cool. Oh, okay, that's 2. Could put a third one in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so there's the 3rd, and there's the 4th. Oh shit. Yeah, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Don't do this at home. Five. Okay, I'm gonna break it in half so it's easier. Do 5. Oh my god. Oh. 6. That's why I hate wasabi. It's not that good taste. It's like, it's not bitter, it's like dark. It's strong. It's so strong. 7 and 8. Oh God. Alright, so. Oh God. Nine, 11, and 12. I might stop at this. It's even worse. I broke things in pieces. Oh! I'm about to shed a tear. But for you guys, let's see if we can get 20. Yeah, remember this for you guys. Okay. $14. 15. Hope we get a lot of likes on this. I'll put myself through hell. 16, 17. $18. Whoa! 19. Last one. Oh my God. My tongue. Last one. 20. Oh! Hell no. Hell no. It won't stop. Oh. Alright. So, that was me trying 4 different boxes of Pocky. And I tasted 1 box of Pretz that I never tasted. And these sticking crispy seaweed snacks. Wasabi flavored. I ate 20. It's not even all done! You can see there's still a little more left. I ate 20 of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed my misery on trying these. My misery, I mean the wasabi flavored seaweed snacks. But for this, I will put like seaweed, but I don't like wasabi. But I'll put it a 2 out of 10, in my opinion. 2 out of 10. If you guys want me to try this with rice, because I still got a little bit more, I will. Just tell me in the comments down below. And remember, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let's try to hit 5, maybe 3 to 4 likes or something. How much you guys want to put on this video, and comment down below what you want me to do in future videos. And yeah, so if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, comment. If you want to see on my channel in the future. Subscribe if you have any more subscribers. I'm on that 12. I'm desperate. And I will see you guys till next time. Peace. My Ninja Dragon Army. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys love this video. Peace.